Welcome. In front of me is a BLACKVIEW Tab 12, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, all you need to do is open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible for me. Once your content is prepared, all you need to do is hold power button and volume down at the same time. Now I am holding this upside down, so this is down for me. So anyway, I'm gonna press both of them. You'll get this pop-up right here. It gives you a long screenshot and share option, and after a moment it will just disappear. Once it does so, you can find that screenshot in your Photos application, which is located in the Google folder. And in here, either it could be visible under Photos, but it doesn't seem like so. So you could navigate to the library, and in here you'll find a screenshots album like this one, where you'll find obviously screenshots and nothing else. There's only one for me, which is the one that I have literally just captured. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.